What's up, Harmonious here. I'm with Joe, starting my vlog at 7 in the morning. I just requested an Uber. We're gonna go get William, then go to fucking Allen's pad, and then go snowboarding, hopefully.
Snowboarding.
Rambo, my claim on Jando, bought my ammo, Samo, painted like Samo, hella hand hold down, bro. I'm so down, bro. I'm so down, bro.
It's cold. Yeah, no. Dang, look at the air right here. We're at your door, not outside. We're at the door. We're knocking on the door. Alpha's getting his car. Alright, food's outside.
We told this guy to be ready by 7:30. He's not ready.
Currently 7:39.
7:39?
60 seconds times 9.
You guys even live here?
And he was complaining that we were lagging.
Let's go. Oh, sorry, sir. No gay rights activists over here. No, I don't want to sign any proposition for gay marriage. No, I won't donate to the Jewish facility.
I ain't got no cash. I ain't got no money.
Hey, that would be a funny ass web series.
I was in at least a 25-foot radius elevation.
Rock, paper.
There's no rock paper. It was cold.
No, I called
it. Was called. No, I called it before.
You called it when you didn't see the whip.
Hey, look at that. What's that over there?
That's not the whip. Rock, paper, just to make it fair. Just to make it fair, rock, paper.
This is fair. I called it.
No, I called it when I saw the whip.
This, no. Rules set by Bartholomew and Judas, like way back in 1200 BC.
No.
About the bro code. Like you can't interrupt the. Hey man, you think you bigger than me, though? You think you bigger than me? Hey, you got a camera. I'm trying not to hurt you. Fuck it.
Sweet. You could have had a chance.
But next time, there ain't gonna be no next time. After next time.
Appealing to our senses as well.
It's a fucking rainbow.
Nah, your eyes,
Harmonious rainbow.
God damn it, he's saying it like it's a thing. About to munch.
Boom. We're at Jack in the Box getting breakfast before the slopes.
Some fuel to move this massive body.
It's 10 a.m. We're still driving.
10 a.m.
10 a.m. with the homeboy Lance and a couple friends and then Benjamins and then making M&M's and with feminine and my boy Yuriy. You know he be coming through and sipping rainbow flurries. And we got no worries going to the mountain. Sipping pussy water like a fountain. Yeah. Take it away, Andre 3000.
Alright, we finally see snow.
Fucking gusts of wind, bro.
Damn, I hope the ski lifts are open.
Damn, it is raining.
Damn. Alright, we're approaching a checkpoint and we have to hope that we're allowed to pass.
This guy on the truck doesn't have a chance.
Look at it for snow to be at.
Look, it's snowing basically.
We fucking made it. That guy gave us a thumbs up.
He saw that we had the Subaru with the 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to Willy.
Test the limits of gravity today.
Test the limits of gravity.
Yep.
It's currently basically snowing. We're mobbing through here.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
Man.
Ooh, yeah.
I want to just fly out there again.
Snow in LA part 2. Oh! It's like a winter wonderland.
Brakes and shit slip.
Alright, we just got here to Big Benny's. We're about to rent some boards, put on our snowboard gear.
It's like barely gripping. Fuck it. I can handle it.
Jack, someone's changed.
Yeah! Alright, damn, it's snowing for real.
Good thing I got the snowshoes. Fuck.
Oh shit, this ground's wet and muddy. Woo! Damn, it's crazy snow. What? Powder, bro.
Damn, I'm gonna get my shoes wet already. Remind me of my son.
Hey, yo, first snowball's locked and loaded.
Look at that shit.
Not until we get the gear on. Are we in the right place? How's it going?
How's it going, man? What can I get for you guys?
Some boards.
Okay. So the mountain's closed right now. Signature too, bro.
Okay.
Alright, so just as I guessed, it's kind of windy. The lifts are closed right now, but we're still gonna rent. Just to fuck around. Just as I guessed from Alan's Googling.
There's one in the bank card. Okay, thank you. Restroom. Oh. Okay.
Getting our gear.
What size did you guys get?
It's snowing out there. Damn, look at that. Look at that guy. Got my fucking board ready. I'm pretty hyped.
Do it.
Alright, we're out. Board in hand.
I know, right? Look at these. Motherfucking dope.
It's like a cool 30 pounds or like 20 pounds. No, 15 pounds, 15 pounds.
15, maybe 20.
Shit heavy, let's go.
Who's gonna open the door, bro? I'm waiting for someone to open the door.
Oh, somebody with some competence. Willy, what are you doing?
Oh, it's snowing out here. It's snowing out here. Oh my god. It's really snowing right now. My mic is, the fuzzy thing on my mic is getting covered in snow.
Oh, we gotta figure this out right now, bro. Oh. Here, do it from this side. Hey, do it from this side.
Oh.
Hey, Alan, what is your car blue?
Hey, hold on. I need to put my camera away.
Oh, fuck, snow's getting hella.
Alright, guys.
Oh, damn, that was brutal. I need gloves.
Yeah.
Fucked up.
Alright, now next stop, we need to go find somewhere to change.
Now we gotta find gloves.
Up to Mountain High. Mountain High.
You don't have gloves?
We're probably at like 15-20 feet of visibility, and we already lost control of the car once. It's fucking scary. Oh, 0 visibility right now.
Alright, I think the trick when that happens, instead of braking, is just to keep slowly going through.
It goes from fucking 10 feet of visibility to like 0 instantly.
Blizzard, man.
It's crazy. This is crazy. We're like driving through a blizzard right now. Can't wait to take some dabs.
Shouldn't let so much.
Get over here.
On my shit.
Alright, we're back in business, but it's still tricky.
Dude, look, my hood is completely covered in snow.
Careful that shit don't ice up, you know?
Alright,
The windshield, right?
we wanted to go snowboard, but it's too fucking windy. I guess electricity's not working. The weather's fucking gnarly, so we just parked up. We're gonna take some dabs, covered in fucking snowboard gear.
It's probably a bad time to say I'm claustrophobic.
Smell it.
I'm playing.
Smell it as it is.
Alright, let me show you guys how it looks outside.
Close the door.
Oh! This is what we're dealing with right now.
Oh my god.
1 second, Yuri's coated. Look at this.
Alright, we're taking some dabs and listening to the inauguration of Trump.
Donald Trump inauguration.
Cheers, guys.
Factories closed.
Who wanna fuck your bitch?
The establishment protected
We're not
itself,
broke anymore?
but not the citizens
Oh,
of our
broke before
country.
hoes.
Their victories have not been your victories.
I've always wanted a hot box inside a snowy environment.
Triumphs. And while they celebrated,
Alright, we finished fucking smoking. We're gonna go put all of our fucking snow gear on right now and see if we can just fuck around with some random snow. Because the lifts are probably still closed right now. What time is it?
12 or something.
It's like 12 right now, so we still got some time to fuck around. Alright, so we got confirmation that we're not gonna snowboard today. Whack as fuck.
Sorry, guys.
But we're all fucking suited up. We're gonna find some snow to fuck around with. Nothing but snow. We're driving like half a mile per hour.
9 miles per hour.
Going so slow. You have any more candy? Let me get one.
Yeah, let me get a candy now. This is retarded.
I'm in the back seat now with Joe.
I kind of do want to take some dabs now before we slide.
Hell yeah, we're gonna dab. What the fuck? Are you stupid, homie?
Actually, I don't know.
This guy's a fucking idiot, bro.
I feel like dabbing.
This a fucking retard.
Maybe
They call him, you know what his last name is? Alymbayev. Alright, I can't film outside right now because it's fucking snowing. Well, I kinda can, but it's fucking snowing hectically. We're stuck in the snow. This guy got us stuck.
What I did.
Can't go anywhere. We gotta figure out how to get out of the snow right now. We all tried to tell him to stop, but he kept going. Now we're
You guys are gonna
fucking.
be complaining when we're at the spot.
Now we're like hours behind on sledding. How do you feel about that?
I feel like I'm glad we got our car out of the snow. I'm glad we didn't crash.
Hours behind.
Hours behind.
Yo, it's Papi Blanco checking in. We're over here in fucking City of Hollywood, beautiful city. Yo! We're over here in the beautiful city of
I'm
Hollywood.
in the car, dude. So can you just come out and I'm
My
just
boy
like
Willy's
hand the
21st
tickets?
Yo.
Yuri's in a car.
I'm like on Sunset. I'm like right outside Starbucks. So come out right now.
Right on the
He's right outside of the Bank of America.
All right, I see.
We're right outside the Bank of America ATM, guys, waiting for this guy. We're gonna drop something off to him. Nothing bad, I promise you that. This is Yuriy happily living in Trump's America.
Trump has officially become the
Happily living in Trump's America.
Woo! What up? What's up, Johnny?
Woo! Yeah!
All right, we're back in LA. Well, we never left LA, but we're back in the non-snowy environment, and we're getting some Korean barbecue for my homie's birthday.
21. It's his birthday today?
Yeah, it's William's birthday.
Today though.
Today.
Happy birthday,
January
my
20th, 21. Children's Hospital.
Children's Hospital.
That motherfucker's cold, bro.
Don't even go there.
You should have done one like right when you open the door and just
Yeah, boys.
People always trying to give me advice on how to film. Thank you, William. Thank you. Yes, sir. Let's do it.
He said the second one, I'm assuming it's this. It's big or what?
good with the
Alright, we're here at the Korean barbecue restaurant, Bakkan.
Hey, that is a lot.
We're all the homies. Can't even talk right now because I'm so faded, but I'm fucking excited to eat.
Solo shit that apoyó de na curiosa. See this fire salad?
Oh, bro.
You gotta get some.
Alright, guys. Hey,
Bro, apoyé, Sean and Yuriy.
hey, I'm the chef right now, bro. There.
Happy birthday, Willy.
Thank you, buddy.
Everyone get their corner. Oh, it's me and you gonna split it.
Alright, we out here, we're munching, we're grubbing, we're faded. It's pretty chill.
Egg. Green onion.
Alright, we're on like round 4.
Solid answers.
Round 4 of food already.
Round motherfucking 4. Except these beers.
No, I'm just gonna look at them.
Alright, god damn it. Alright, we're on our fucking 6th or 5th fucking order. Last call. These pussies are still drinking 3% beer.
Brew, man. That boy's lit.
I'm fucking lit.
Drive off and
I'm lit off the beef and chicken.
you know how much crazy ass driving I did?
Boy.
We almost died today. Bulgogi. Film this, bro. Woo!
Caitlyn Jenner's pregnant.
I'm nursing, bro.
Alright, we finished eating. That was fucking bomb as fuck. I'm so full. I'm cold, bro. I'm trying to go.
Blaze right now, bro. I'm trying to get home, bro. I'm sleepy.
I'm gonna spark this as we're walking to this car.
You trying to blaze right now?
Spark it right now,
Good, bro.
bitch.
I'm about to get home, bro.
Look at
I'm trying to.
You saw that?
What?
I got him so funny on pretty random day. We didn't get to snowboard, but we got some Korean barbecue, fucked out in the snow. Pretty chill. This is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good night. It's a night for me. You might be watching this the day, I don't know, but have a good one. Peace. Finally. That took too long. Dope.